On Wall Street today, it was all about Washington. As we mentioned, stocks moved in lockstep with headlines about trade. Bob Pisani witnessed all of the day's ups and downs from the New York Stock Exchange.
Stocks sold off very early on, but we quickly rebounded off the day's lows. In fact, the low print of the day was right at the open, and it was mostly up from there. So right away, we saw the usual knee-jerk reaction of selling trade-sensitive names, semiconductors, and large global industrials like Caterpillar or Cummins. But even that sell-off has been pretty half-hearted, and we met with buying by the middle of the morning. The additional tariffs, they sound pretty serious, but the market reaction indicates that traders don't believe that an all-out trade war is imminent. Stocks bottomed out in the morning, and they ended right around the highs for the day, indicating initial sellers were not met with any waves of additional selling in the middle of the day. Why is this? Well, traders believe that despite this speed bump, a trade deal will eventually get done. We're not sure about the details, but President Donald Trump is going to continue to do everything in his power to prop up the market ahead of next year's presidential election. That's just what the market tends to believe. Just look at what happened with the VIX today. That's the volatility index, Wall Street's so-called fear index. That spiked to almost 19 overnight, but fallen back down to 15 by the close today, indicating options traders aren't feeling the need to go out and buy more protection, because that's what that reflects, that VIX. But don't kid yourself. If a real trade war were to develop, the market's very vulnerable. It is expensive right now, and a trade war would definitely reduce global growth and earnings prospects. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.